Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert a Word file to JPEG or image online without any software. So this is the Word file that I have. Going to Google Chrome and heading to Word to JPEG as you can see on the screen. Now scroll down and drop your Word file there. It is uploaded and converted as zip file. Now click on download. It is downloaded as zip file and extract files. Now open the folder and the image is there in JPEG format. And by this way you can convert a Word file to JPEG without any software just by using online. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.